Hi, we're going to talk about the MeasureUp key and the one that you would have received in your email. So we will log in and register this key. And this is the website that I will link to. I'm in Chrome at the moment. I'm just going to bring up Safari. So this is the MeasureUp website that you will come to. And I'm going to, at the moment I'm logged in, so I'll just log out to make it more similar to your experience. So we're going to log in and I'm going to say register key. So you guys will be, if you're logging in for the first time, will be filling this one out. And because I've filled one out already, I'm going to log in this way. And I don't want to log in again, so I'll just tick that remember me. Okay, so this operates with Silverlight, so sometimes it may take a few seconds. So the first thing it says, license agreement, and I'm going to put in my key and I'm going to go register. And if this little pop-up comes up, it says product key successfully registered, click locker, top of menu, okay. So now if I go into locker, I'm going to see the exams that I have available. So I have set up a networking fundamentals one, one for software, and this new one for databases. So these are test exams meant to replicate a situation where when you actually go in to do your MTA exams. So if I go into launch, again, Silverlight working depends on how fast your PC is and how fast your broadband is. Okay, so we have a customize your test. We're just going to focus on study mode and certification mode. Study mode means that I'm going to do a test that it's not timed. I can flick back to Google to find the answer, whereas certification mode is timed and it's much more similar situation to the actual MTA test. So let's go into study mode. So we have an entire test bank, contains 115 questions. Well, for today, I'm just going to focus on 10 questions. Show me questions missed from last test. No. Specify how you want to request answers. Well, actually, I want the answers immediately. So, auto display answers to incorrect responses. Because I'm using this to study. So I go, OK. And again, I have to wait for Silverlight to load. Okay, so start test. Right, that's nice and quick. Which DDL statements should you use to permanently remove a column and all of the column's data from a table? Okay, say if I don't know the answer, how about I get the answer? So here's an explanation and it tells me the answer is alter table. It gives me an explanation of why that is the case. And then down here it says click for more information. As you can see, so if I just click on that, it'll redirect me to bring up a new tab and redirect me to this site to explain why we would use alter table. So it's a really nice feature to help you study as well as do the test. So we can go next. Again, don't know the answer. It gives me the answer and we'll click. And again, a new tab comes up and explains why that is the answer. So pretty nice feature. So if I want to either pause this or I just get out, we can go abort. And again, Silverlight will work. So I could actually just quit out of the website now if I wanted to. I just want to bring you back to the next page just so you can see what's happening. So this should bring me back to the locker where I could see my 3 exam types. And it does. So I finished working on databases and now I can launch into networking. And if I don't want to do any of that and I'm fed up, I just click on Home. And this brings us back into the MeasureUp, the main site again. Okay, thank you.